My video guide is about getting rid of fake survey alerts that are related to this site, Elusednice.live. So some people see these pretty strange pop-ups by Elusednice.live. Keep in mind that these pop-ups are absolutely faulty and totally deceptive. They actually try to make you share a lot of your personal details, such as your name, your surname, email address, and other information. It is definitely a mistake to share your personal data through these fake surveys. If you share your personal data through such fake surveys, your personal data may be granted to third parties absolutely illegally. So do not share your personal data. Just leave this deceptive page, and we also recommend that you carefully examine the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other threats from your computer. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then after it gets successfully installed, start carefully examining your system with its help. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and delete other infections from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.